We are giving you a sample of our country, Brazil, and our national drink, Caipirinha, famous all over the world. Some samples, there are different kinds of cachaça, which is the drink made of alcohol and sugar cane. There are several types of cachaça. We are going to use one of them to prepare the caipirinha. So here we go. All you need is a glass with lots of ice, sugar, lime. Let's put the lime in there. And we press the lime first so that we have the juice of the lime. Here we go. And I'm doing this from my veranda where we are in social isolation like everybody else in the world, but with a beautiful view of the rainforest in Rio de Janeiro. As you can see, even Christ the Redeemer shows in the background, our main postcard of Rio de Janeiro. So all you have to do is smash the lime, mix it with the ice, lots of sugar. Hope you are not diabetics. And then choose one kind of caipirinha, of cachaça. Pour the cachaça. And there you go. We are ready. Mix it a little bit with the ice, the lime, and the sugar. Let the ice melt a little bit. We get a little bit of water into it. And here you have a colorful tropical drink, Caipirinha of Brazil. Saúde, which is cheers in Portuguese. And goodbye.